Respected teachers, good morning everybody. Today we are going to discuss on the topic pedagogy science at the primary stage. Science really it's my favorite subject. Really science is a dynamic expanding body of language covering new domains of experiences. People today are faced with an increasingly fast changing world where the most important skills are flexibility, innovation and creativity. You know that human brain is so curious. Science provides answers to all curiosity in a systematic manner. Let's go into our portfolio activity, module 12, pedagogy of science. Then you see the portfolio activity 12. Really, a good portfolio initiates all the children to participate actively in learning process. Okay, let's go and start the portfolio activity. The name of the teacher, name of the school, or basic information, and the subject here as I choose is general science, 6th class, and the lesson is simple electric circuits. Then we will see the portfolio activity 12, who have to select a chapter or unit from science textbook of any class and design a unit plan with activities where children are actively involved in the learning process. Here the steps, some steps are given to follow to complete the activity. I don't want to touch all these steps. Simply you have to read and follow. Okay. Then a template. Under this template, there are a few headings are here. Topic, class size, lesson description, learning objectives, resources or technology, learning experiences design, intended learning outcomes. With all these, how to prepare a good template. Then we will directly enter into the unit plan. This is our the highlighted title here. Under unit plan, the following headings are covered. First one is subject, general science, class, 6th class, name of the lesson, simple electric circuits, number of periods, 12, then academic standards. Under the academic standards, we have to see the first one is conceptual understanding, questioning and making hypothesis, experimentation and field investigation, information skills and projects, communication through drawing and model making, application and aesthetic sense and values. Last one is application to daily life and concern to biodiversity. Then unit plan academic standards. The first one here is conceptual understanding. Under conceptual understanding, here the students have to observe the working of torchlight, compare the torchlight and bulb, they observe cells in the torch, knows about the switch, construct the simple electric circuits, knows the importance of conductors and insulators. Next one is questioning and making hypothesis. Students develops questioning on working of cells. They hypothesis the reason why the torch light can't glow. Next academic standard is experimentation and field investigation. Under this unit, the students have to construct the simple electric circuits, examines the different bulbs and concludes whether working or not, observes whether the current is passing or not through the different objects like book, pad, etc. Next academic standard is information skills and projects. Under this, the students have to list the daily activities in which we use electricity. Next one is observes the street lights whether they glow or not. Next academic standard is communication through drawing and model making. Here the students draws the electric bulbs and label its spots, constructs the real simple electric circuits, draws the torchlight and label its spots. Next academic standard is appreciation and aesthetic sense and values. Appreciates the hard work of Thomas Alva Edison's discovery of electric bulb. Then application to daily life and concern to biodiversity. Under this, give value to the students who prepared working models with the waste material and batteries. These are the academic standards we have to discuss in this unit. Then learning outcomes. Here, learning outcomes and curriculum expectations are closely related. Usually, learning outcomes are derived from curriculum expectations. These are the statements that describe what the learners must know or have attained at the end of unit or this lesson. Here the learning outcomes you have to read out. People will able to identify basic electrical components, classify the materials as insulators and conductors, explain differences between insulators and conductors, understand open and closed circuits, and connects components in a circuit. These are the learning outcomes. Then we have to highlight this one, that is period wise teaching plan. Under this, the columns are period, teaching concepts, teaching learning strategy, TLM. For period 1, the teaching concept is observing the cell, page number 107. Here the strategy I have planned is discussion and the TLM or textbook torchlight. Then second period, construction of bulb. Page number 108, the classroom activity is the strategy. Here I carried. Then TLM I used a textbook, C cell bulb. Then for third period, simple electric circuits, page number 103, individual activity, textbook, bulb and wires are the TLM. Next, fourth period, importance of electric switch, page number 110, discussion, group and individual activities are the teaching learning strategies, bulb and switch cell are the TLM. Then for fifth period, how does the torch bulb glow? Page number 11, discussion and individual activity are the teaching learning strategies I followed here. Torchlight and battery are the TLM. Then sixth period, conductors and insulators, page number 111, discussion and group activity are the strategies. Cells, bulbs and wires are the TLM. Then number 7, identifying conductors and insulators I covered in this period number 7, page number 112, fill up the table and the TLM are cells, rubber, thread. Then in 8th period, the story of bulb, Thomas Alva Edison. Discussion, photo of Edison is the TLM. Next we will see the 9th period. Under that the teaching concept is explanation of different scientists who involved in electricity, and the teaching learning strategy is discussion, TLM or photo frame of scientists. Then 10th period, learning experiences of academic standards 1, 2, 3 are covered. Then the teaching learning strategies, whole class and individual activity. Then 11th period, learning experiences of academic standards 4, 5 and 6. The teaching learning strategies are whole class and individual activities. Last one is what can I do? This is the individual activity. Like this you have to prepare the unit and period wise teaching plan for a unit. Then teaching notes. With the help of the following ones, I have prepared notes to teach the lesson. Under that the first one are references, some reference books. Then 6th class, 7th class General Science AP textbook, 6th and 7th class General Science NCERT textbooks. Then the photos of scientists from internet using ICT tools, different educational websites, www.cec.pde.edu for simple electric circuits. Then we will see the teaching reflections. Here, the students of class make use of different cells, bulbs, connecting wires and demonstrates the luminance of light. Teacher conducted and demonstrates the activities with full of confidence. For collecting cells, bulbs, teachers have to show some interest. These are the teaching reflections. Then TLM. Here I used the following TLM. The first one is General Science of 6th class. Here the girl is observing the torch and the cell inside the torch, and it is the cell. Then this is the bulb and its parts, filament, glass chamber, terminals and the metal cap. Then figure 5 shows a simple electric circuit. Then figure 6 shows that circuit with the switch. Then figure 8, an open electric circuit. Like this one is the inside view of the torchlight. Then he is our Thomas Alva Edison, who invented bulb. Then our scientists, we have to salute to our scientists. See our great scientists. He is the Chandra Bose. He is the creator of crystallograph, and he is Chandra Ray, mercury nitrate, creator of mercury nitrate, and he is our Srinivasan Ramanujan, creator of prime numbers, and he is C.V. Raman, creator of Raman effect, and he is creator of thermal ionization, that is Meghnadhan Saha. Salim Ali, the bird lover, the encyclopedia of birds, and he is our Jahangir Baba, the nuclear scientist, and he is Chandrasekhar, astrophysicist. He is Vikram Sarabhai, the father of space physics. Raghavind Karona, genetic engineering. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, father of Green Revolution. And he is one and only the president and great scientist of India, the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, father of missiles technology. Let's salute to all our scientists. Next, thank you. Stay tuned for further portfolios presented by me, G. Lakshmi Nasamma, MPPS Kuttur, Pengonda, Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. Thank you, one and all.